go with my peas, so I can try. And I say it tastes nice, you know? So I'm gonna try it. Just I use everything. Alright, drop.
This is not my favorite. Honestly, I don't know because I really don't want to, but like
Just
I
decide
just
it.
huh?
I said decide it. It's nice already. Wow. What's gonna be? It's nice, mama. Gravy chicken nice already.
Like me.
Diana, you want some other peas? Okay.
Wait, my belly is full.
Okay, Nathan, that's good.